Hi all! How can a robot drive along the triangle with a side of 30 cm? Let's first see how it will look in mBlock. We need any sprite and block such a movement, rotation, loop and pan. I create a new command starting position. There I added everything we need before starting the movement. First of all, we'll walk 30 steps. That is not a note. Let's take 19. Now we need to turn around the corner. The sum of the angle of a regular triangle is 118 degrees, which means one angle is 16, but the robot must turn by angle of 120. Now let's repeat the part of the program 3 times. It turned out what we wanted. Now let's start working on the Lego robot. All the data that will enter into your program will depend on the design. The main ones are wheel dimension and distance between wheels. The error in the theory will depend on the center of the mass, the total weight robot and the backlash in motor. The bigger wheel, the bigger error. The first step is calibration. Let's check how many revolutions it takes for the move 30 cm. Of course, this will not be an integer. Therefore, I will set 10 revolutions and measure how many centimeters it is, and then recalculate how much I need to travel to 30 centimeters. Another option is calculating the circumference based on the diameter of the wheel. Let's check both cases. The begin will be same, reset the data of any motor, C or B. Now let's go make 10 revolutions. We get 1950 millimeters, and the specification is 30 centimeters or 300 millimeters. Then we will get 300 multiplied by 10 and divided by the resulting number. This option. Let's test. Everything is fine. Now option 2. Wheel diameter is 32 and 4 millimeters. Using the formula, we calculate the circumference P multiplied by the diameter. We get 196 millimeters. And divide 300 by this number and get the revolutions. I think that is smaller. 29 centimeters. I think the first option was more predictable. You can see optimized program. I create a new block step. In it we indicate the distance in millimeters and power 50%. And now about turning. We can turn one wheel, then we seem bypass the corner. Or for the wheels to rotate in different directions. This will be a turn on the spot. I have already created a template. Let's start with the full revolution of the robot around use and choose an angle. Now we know that 430 degrees for motor is one revolution for a robot, and we need 120 degrees. I make a mistake. The robot returned to half a turn, not 330, 118 degrees. Oh, this is okay. A full program will be like this. Step, turn, and repeat 3 times. This is full program. You can also use a gyroscope to turn. In the main program we replace only the part when we rotate it. Here I indicated 120 degrees, about that much. And definitely more things. Don't put equal, of course. In the loop we will reset a gyroscope. This is how you can solve your problem. I wish you success.